Whiskey is one of those spirits that's pretty divisive. You either like it or you hate it. But today we're going to find out if this drink can convert you into liking it. This drink comes from a local Rhode Island bar called Free Play. It is called green tea. It's a riff off of the shooter that you do that's also called green tea. It uses Jameson and peach schnapps along with some sour mix. So this is basically just a long version of it that you can enjoy. Our whiskey of choice today is Jameson. Irish whiskeys. Shut up, bro. Irish whiskeys are known for being a little bit softer and more approachable for people that don't really drink whiskey, so this is a great choice. Nothing like DeKuyper peach schnapps, am I right? It is simple, to the point, tastes artificial, exactly what you want. We'll be making sour mix in the glass using simple syrup, which is sugar-free, and lemon juice, Sprite Zero. Let's make a green tea cocktail. You'll need 1.5 ounces of Jameson, 1/2 ounce of peach schnapps, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, and 1/2 ounce of sugar-free simple syrup.
The Sprite?
Yeah, the Sprite comes after because carbonated stuff in there, when you shake it, it goes boom boom. And you don't want that. Add ice to your shaker and shake it for 10 seconds. For this one, we're not gonna get precious with it. We're doing a dirty dump. I think it needs more ice because we're only gonna do like 2 ounces of soda. Soda!
Look at the little munchkin. She's enjoying too.
And she's looking just like all bland like. She's like, are we done yet?
She's like, I want to play with my toys.
So we're gonna just scoot some ice in there.
Get the ice. Get the ice.
Oh. Now we're gonna add Sprite to top it up. This part is, stop looking at me. Stop looking at me.
Show them how far I was peeking at you.
Oh yeah, you really. Okay, anyway. So now you're gonna add Sprite to it. It is to taste. You can add as much as you want, but we're gonna be starting with 2 ounces.
Y'all ready for this?
Okay. That smells good.
That looks like green tea.
And we didn't have a lemon because we suck, but we have a lime wheel as the garnish.
You dare take the sip before me?
I know, hold on. Tasting notes are sliding in now.
Mm-hmm. That does not taste like green tea. I feel lied to.
Is it good though?
It's very good.
Okay. So the thing with cocktail naming conventions, you know, Long Island iced tea doesn't taste like iced tea, but it looks like iced tea. The idea is that it's supposed to visually look like green tea, but I mean, it doesn't taste like it, but we can only do so much.
It looks like it.
Yeah.
I would definitely, if I was handed this and I was told it was green tea, I would not suspect alcohol until I tasted it. Tasting notes. The peach is nice. It's like the most forward flavor that I taste, besides the Sprite. I don't really taste any alcohol. I get the little breathiness of the alcohol, you know.
Like after
you sip it. Like I'm looking around for it. I can't find it.
Is there any of that wood flavor in the background?
No, I'm searching for the wood flavor and I can't find it. So I would definitely say I can tell there's alcohol in here, but the most I'm getting from it is like peach and Sprite, which I don't mind. I think peach and Sprite go really well together. I would say this is a really good drink. I like it a lot. I would drink this. I would order it too. I
am considering though, so we sought to find a drink that tastes good to people that don't like whiskey. So the idea is you'd still taste the whiskey, so it would be like a way to introduce you to the flavor. You're saying you don't really taste it in there, so do you think we succeeded?
You fooled me.
Could fool me.
You could fool me? Yes. If this was my introduction to whiskey, I would say give me some more. But then I would be sorely disappointed by anything else that I meet. Unless, you know, every other whiskey drink is just as fantastic as this one.
My thing is, can I see? Yeah, peach is really loud in there.
I think where the wood comes out is at the back of the mouth.
Yes, I noticed that. It's not like the upfront flavor. I feel like the peach is the loudest for some reason. Mm-hmm. It tastes good. It's like a nice candied kind of flavor.
Yeah.
So I think it does come out pretty well. I do definitely agree that the whiskey is way further back. It's something, it's like more, you taste it in the after.
Yes, I agree.
Like the later end of the profile or
like,
whatever.
Yes, I agree. It's like an aftertaste, but it's also like sitting, like I feel like the woodiness at the back of my mouth.
It's only after you swallow it.
Yes. It's definitely an easy sipper. Definitely a dangerous one. Like you could tell that there's alcohol in here, but
like kind of like barely though.
Yeah, no, I think that this drink was fantastic. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
Really?
I enjoyed it very much, and I think moving forward, I will request it pretty frequently. Like if I go out to a bar or something.
I think most places could make it, but you'd have to
tell them what to put.
You'd have to tell them like what you're looking for. If you just say green tea, they might just hand you the shot. So you'd have to say like the cocktail version. But I'm happy you like it.
Yeah, no, I think this was fantastic. It's definitely at the top of my list of drinks that I've had so far.
Did you feel like you wanted more Sprite? Was it a good amount of dilution?
I think it was a good amount. I think the Sprite itself was, it was a filler. It was just meant to fill the volume, and it did something really nice. I liked the carbonation on it very much.
Yeah.
It did add that next textural differentiation. Adds a nice sweet twist to it.
Is there any left in there? I kind of want to see what it's like if we make it like Colin's style. You gave this one a 10.
Mm-hmm.
It's interesting.
That's fantastic.
If it is a good drink without shaking, then like anyone could make this.
Mm-hmm.
You just need a glass. You don't need tools or nothing. What up? Yes, I see it.
Watch the fingies. Watch the fingies.
Ah!
Looks same, smells same, must be the same.
Must be. Boop. It's very different, but I'm having trouble saying why. So I'm gonna remember this is diluted now, so it's not gonna be exactly the same anyway.
I think the lemon comes out more, which I don't hate. I actually very much enjoy how strong the lemon has become.
See, this version with just stirring it tastes more like peach lemonade.
If you say so, I think it tastes wonderful. I think I like it even more just stirred than shaken. Still a 10. I'm not gonna go 11.
Would you bump that one down, or do you think they're both 10s?
I think they're both 10s. There's like 10 minus, well, this is 10 plus.
It's still in like that perfect range, it's just on the lower end of perfect.
Yes.
That's fine.
Like, you don't taste the lemon as much on any of this.
Yeah,
and
I like lemon.
I like lemon too, and I like lemon and peach together very much.
Another thing I was thinking is I have 2 sweeteners in there. I have half an ounce of simple syrup and half an ounce of this. So the way that they make most schnapps is you take a spirit and you take a syrup and you mash them together. So basically half of this is syrup. So if you need half an ounce of simple syrup, you can use an ounce of this.
Why are you flipping it that way?
Because this side is a 1/4 of an ounce. Now we have 3/4 of an ounce of lemon in there. We have half an ounce of this, okay? When you use half an ounce of schnapps, you actually get a 1/4 ounce of sweetness out of it. 0.5 plus 0.25 equals 0.75. Now there's 0.75 ounces of lemon, so this should balance that out.
I liked it better before.
Okay.
But I think it's good.
Let's see.
I still think it's good.
Yeah, that takes away a lot of the peach.
But I liked the amount of peach.
I agree with you.
Don't do that much. Don't do the extra 1/4.
Yes. Just follow the original recipe and you're good. So what did we learn? What did we learn?
I think I learned that I like Jameson when it's not loud.
I want to mention, this drink, it's really hard to taste the spirit in there, so you can use something cheaper and you'll be fine. If you use like a cheap bourbon or something, that's gonna be a good way to get into whiskey as well, because it's really hard to pick that out in the flavor profile. So Jameson, it's not the most expensive thing in the world, but it is on the higher end of like the budget stuff. So just throw something cheap in there, have a good time.
Well, what I learned is that I really like the combination of lemon and peach together. And Sprite always makes things great. And I also learned I can enjoy whiskey
if you can't taste it.
if I can't taste it.
Okay, so that means our challenge for the future is gonna have to be making drinks that you can taste the whiskey in, but you don't dislike. But for now, we're wrapping it up, so thank you for joining us. If you liked this video and you want to learn more about low-calorie cocktails, you can check our description. Please hit subscribe, it helps us a lot. And the little like button, that actually does more for the algorithm than you know. And as always, salud.
Salud.
Choked on it.